Did you know yawning isn't just a sign that you're tired or bored? When you yawn, your body is doing more than just stretching your jaw. It's your brain's way of keeping itself cool. Yawning draws in cool air and increases blood flow to your brain. This combination helps lower your brain's temperature. Think of it like your head's own natural air conditioner working to keep things running smoothly. A cooler brain helps you stay alert and mentally sharp. By regulating temperature, yawning can actually boost your focus and attention. So next time you catch yourself yawning, remember your brain might just be overheating. It's a clever trick to keep you at your best. Subscribe for more weird ways our bodies work.